What is going on, guys? It is your boy Max here, back with a brand new video. Today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at a new Bitcoin app that I found, guys. It's called Shakepay, and this is an app basically for Canadians looking to get into cryptocurrency. You get to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum only, guys, on this app, so it's important to note there's only those two cryptocurrencies available on the app, but it's starting to gain a lot of traction in Canada, and I just wanted to give you guys, a little overall look of what you can do with this app. So first of all, guys, you're going to see here, this is the main page when we enter the app. So you'll see there's only two cryptocurrencies, like I mentioned, that you can buy, and that's Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I assume a lot of you guys are only looking to get into those two cryptocurrencies anyways, so it's probably perfect for you guys. Now, with this app, basically you can shake your phone, and it gives you free sats every single day, guys. So it's basically, some way to get you to stay on the app. They basically give you a couple cents every single day, and you get to stack it up. And it is in Bitcoin, guys. So, it accumulates over time. It's actually pretty cool. And the interesting thing here with this app is that once you deposit your money, you actually deposit it with e-transfer. And I know a lot of you guys were having issues with paying with not prepaid debit cards, but just debit cards or credit cards on stuff like Coinbase and other apps. So this is perfect for all of you guys that basically can't get your cards to work for cryptocurrencies. So basically you can just e-transfer to the specified address here, to the Shakepay address, and you'll get your deposit set up in your account. So it's really easy. And if you want to withdraw your funds, guys, you do the same. You just get it back in an e-transfer. So it's really, really cool for that. Next thing that is interesting with this app, guys, they're launching a new card. Basically, it's a debit card. You get to pay with Bitcoin and you earn Bitcoin rewards. So that's coming soon. That's super exciting. Honestly, it's really promising. It's going to be interesting to see when I get my card here. Maybe I'll do another video for you guys. Next, they also have, you can send Bitcoin directly to your friends through the app. So that's very cool. It's basically, you don't pay any transfer fees because everything stays in the app. You can just send Bitcoin to your friend for free, which is pretty cool, guys. And that's pretty much it. It's very basic. There's not much to it. You get to place limit order, limit sells and limit buys, which is good. Coinbase doesn't allow you to do that, but this app does, so that's very cool. And it's very simple, guys. There's not much to it. It's just a place where you can buy and hold your crypto. You can either sell it there, which is good. I know a lot of you guys, want to sell your Bitcoin. Sometimes it's tough on Coinbase because you go through PayPal and some other type of ways. So if you want to get your money in an e-transfer, this app is really good for that. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for Shakepay. I will leave a link in the description for you to go check out. You sign up, guys, you deposit $100 and you get $10 free in Bitcoin. So it's basically free money right there for you guys. So make sure to click the link below if you want to make a Shakepay account. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will be sure to answer it. And yeah, thank you guys. Keep on, keep on getting invested in crypto, keep on changing your life, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.